Hey guys, welcome back to my day. We're going to the dentist.
No! God, please, no!
No, I can't. So how you feel like a scale of 1 to 10?
Just know, they never did know.
Oh, but like emotionally, how you feel?
Emotionally distraught. Because now I have to go back at the dentist again. Take over the teeth. So, just to recap, I broke my teeth a couple of months ago eating crab with my cousins. So I went to my dentist who sent me to the dentist I just filmed in. They said a root canal was possible, but I had to wait 3 months because they were booked. So they numbed my mouth trying to do the root canal, but the gum kept crumbling, so they had to give me a temporary filling and told me to go back to the dentist to remove the tooth, which is what I was trying to avoid in the first place. But I guess you can't run from fate. Care more than that.
You're so close to me, bro.
Oh my god! What is that? I had to sit down and make this boy resume.
You know, I feel
Useless. Don't even know if I make your own resume. Good morning. I get a chicken patty, a cheese patty, and a beef patty. Let's go.
She was saying no more, she was saying no more.
Why you attack me just to open the door for me? Don't attack me. Yeah, do it nice.
Attack you guys.
Cheese?
Yeah, and that she way, yes?
Cheese, chicken. Daddy beef. So there's $7,000 late fee on the system that's not supposed to be there. So what I'm going to do is argue. Thank you. Let's go.
Wait away. Got her being a gentleman. Sure. My hiding face.
Helicopter!
Oh, with my hair. Be careful. Hey, God.
But then, this is me as soon as I see there will be a setback. I'm going to pull up this one. This is a big crow.
This is Bob. Bob loves his personal space. This is Larry. Larry also loves Bob's personal space.
Kayla, you can try. Then what you do? What you do? You try. You know what's
Them gonna put here in there. Now we're gonna get this punk registered in school. I mean, somewhere will take him.
Somewhere. I like some grace more.
Yeah, it's not like he's a problem.
Let me slap the puppet.
Why you so abusive?
Because we don't like you.
We don't like you neither, but yes, me abuse you.
Yes.
We're at the dentist now. I'm going to pull out my teeth.
Help me! Help me!
I'm serious.
I can't talk.
We're gonna get a prescription. Oh, you want some teeth here?
No.
You want some teeth? Let's take it out. Some instructions on what to do with it. Maybe they can take care of me. No, me I just smoke right now. When I smoke, I know I smoke some real and I smoke some real milk. But I thought they were good.
Sure, let's hope.
But I thought they were good. Here's the pizza.
Look to your right. Look to your right. Look to your right. Look to your right.
Oh, it's a. You want to take it? Yeah, a little more? It's a pizza. So it's a pizza and a chocolate muffin. When I can, it feel like a vibration in the mouth, but they saw themselves in the mouth. You want some teeth? This is the teeth. Just sleep properly?
So this is day 2. I don't know if it's noticeable to you guys, but over here is a lot more swollen than yesterday. I took out the gauze yesterday, but now my mouth just can't open wide. This is the furthest I can open it without being in pain. I still have to wait until 3 o'clock before I can rinse this out with warm water. Plastic side eye. I'll see you guys tomorrow. It's day 3. I look crazier than normal because I pulled up my hair, but as you can see, this filling, I guess to me it got worse. But there's nothing wrong with it, it just swelled up more. Maybe I slept on it, I don't know. When I'm in my sleep, I don't remember anything. I rinsed it out with salt water yesterday. There's nothing really much to tell, it just blew up like a blowfish. Yeah, I guess I'll see you guys tomorrow. I lost track of the days, but I woke up. I think it's day 4, to be very honest. I woke up. I don't know if you can tell the difference between my eyes, but this one is swollen. Yesterday I spit out blood. I spit out something like a blood clot, so I'm not sure if something went wrong there. But this is what my face looks like. It better be healing properly because I'm not going through this longer than I have to go through this, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, see you guys tomorrow. It's day 5 and I'm looking less swollen than before. I put ice on it yesterday morning and yesterday night. Rinsed my mouth with salt water too. I'm definitely going to the gym today. I look good enough to go to the gym. I don't look like somebody just punched my face in.
We're outside the gym. Our session starts at 6:05 and it's currently 5:58.
God, we need a lineup.
You need enough things. The lineup is the least of your problems. There's a whole facial reconstruction. You like your face?
Yeah, of course.
It's a lot of self-assurance.
Alright, so now if you are
self-love.
rude, of course I'm full of myself, of course.
Yeah, with
Better
a
than
face-
most people.
With a
better than
face
most
like that, you need to love yourself.
people. Yeah.
As you can see, my face is still swollen. Not as bad as before, so I'll be able to go out on the road. And I doubt people will notice progress. And I think it's tomorrow I'm going to get the stitches out. Yeah. We've come to take out my stitches from my mouth. As you can see, I can't focus that on my mouth. Swelling at least get down. Bye bye. I just went to take out the stitches and I won't be going back to the dentist. They gave me mouthwash to rinse out my mouth for 30 seconds and then I should be good to go. The swelling should go down. That was the end of my dentist visit vlog. I'll see you guys another time. Bye bye. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and comment down below.
And we say bye-bye!